Your credit score is controlling your financial life, and you probably don't even realize it. Every single day you have a bad credit score. You're paying more money on everything: mortgages, car loans, even insurance. The average person with poor credit will pay almost $250,000 more in interest over their lifetime compared to someone with excellent credit. That's not a typo. But here's the good news. Fixing this doesn't require months of waiting or luck. I've seen people raise their score by 100 points in 30 days by simply stopping these 5 mistakes that almost everyone makes. Mistake number 1 is ignoring your credit report entirely. Most people never actually look at their credit report, which means they have no idea if there are errors, fraudulent accounts, or old debt dragging their score down. You can get your free credit report from annualcreditreport.com. That's the official government website, and you should be checking it every single year. Here's what to look for: accounts that aren't yours, late payments that were actually paid on time, or duplicate negative marks. If you find errors, you can dispute them with the credit bureau, and removing even one false entry can jump your score by 20 to 50 points almost immediately. Mistake number 2 is maxing out your credit cards. This is the number one thing keeping people's scores stuck. Your credit utilization, that's how much of your total available credit you're actually using, makes up 30% of your credit score. If you have 3 credit cards with $5,000 limits each, that's $15,000 total available credit. Using $14,000 of that, you're at 93% utilization, and that tanks your score. The sweet spot is staying below 30%. So with that $15,000 available, you want to keep your balance under $4,500. The easiest way to fix this fast? Ask your credit card company to increase your limits, or open a new card to increase your total available credit. Even if you don't use the new card, it boosts your utilization ratio immediately. Mistake number 3 is closing old credit cards after you pay them off. I know it feels like a win when you pay off a card and think, "I'm done with this, I'm closing it." But closing it actually hurts your credit score, sometimes by 8 points or more. Here's why. Your credit age matters. About 15% of your score is based on how long you've had credit. If you close your oldest card, you're reducing your average credit age, which damages your score. Plus, you're reducing that total available credit we just talked about, which hurts your utilization ratio. The move is to keep old cards open, even if you're not using them. Just use them once every few months for a small purchase, pay it off, and leave the account active. Mistake number 4 is missing even a single payment. A lot of people think one late payment won't matter much, but it's one of the most damaging things you can do to your credit score. A payment that's 30 days late can drop your score by 100 points immediately. Make it 90 days late, and you're looking at a 150-point hit. And here's the part that really hurts: that late payment stays on your credit report for 7 years. So if you miss a payment in 2025, it's still dragging down your score in 2032. The solution is automatic payments. Set up autopay for at least the minimum payment on every single credit card and loan. You don't even have to think about it. The money comes out automatically, and you never miss a date. Mistake number 5 is applying for too much new credit too fast. Every time you apply for a credit card, loan, or any form of credit, the lender does a hard inquiry on your credit. Each hard inquiry drops your score by about 5 to 10 points. More importantly, multiple hard inquiries in a short time period sends up a red flag to lenders. It makes you look desperate for money. That's going to hurt your approval odds on the applications that matter. Space out your credit applications by at least 3 to 6 months. Don't apply for multiple cards in 1 week just because you want better rewards. Be strategic, be patient, and your score will thank you for it. So here's what you're going to do starting today. Step 1. Pull your free credit report and look for errors. Dispute anything that's wrong. Step 2. Check your credit card balances and make a plan to get below 30% utilization, whether that's paying down balances or asking for limit increases. Step 3. Stop closing old cards. Keep them open and use them occasionally. Step 4. Set up automatic payments for everything so you never miss a date again. And Step 5. Resist the urge to apply for multiple credit products at once. You do these 5 things, and I guarantee your score will move within 30 to 60 days. This is not financial advice, but it's honest advice from someone who's seen these changes transform people's financial lives. If this video helped you understand how credit actually works, please hit that like button and subscribe, because we drop new personal finance content every single week. Drop a comment telling me which of these mistakes you've been making. I read every single one. And if you want more specific money tips and strategies for building wealth, check out the video linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.